Tired of appointment scheduling chaos? Let's ditch the paper and pens and jump into how Wix Booking can transform your website into a streamlined booking powerhouse in just a few minutes. First, from your Wix website editor, click on the app's icon in the left sidebar, then search for Wix Bookings in the Wix App Market. Once you find it, click the Add to Site button. Wix will automatically install the app and add a bookings page to your website. Now navigate to your Wix Bookings dashboard. Here's where the magic happens. Click on the Services tab to start defining what you offer. Click Add a Service. You'll need to fill in key details like the service name, a clear description, the duration of the service, and of course, the price. Make it appealing. Next, head over to the Staff tab. Here, you can add yourself and any team members who will be providing the services. You can also assign specific services to particular staff members. Click on the Calendar tab. This is where you set your availability. Mark the days and times you're available for bookings. Remember to factor in breaks. Great! Now customers can visit your website, select a service, choose an available time slot, and book directly through the integrated booking form. Finally, click on the Settings tab to configure your payment options. Connect your preferred payment gateways like PayPal or Stripe to securely process payments. Congratulations! You've successfully set up Wix Bookings. Now you can effortlessly manage appointments, track client bookings, and get paid all in one place. Start streamlining your schedule today.